Hey guys, today is August 12th of 2021. I wanted to go over the Nifty 50 using Gann price and time technical analysis. Let's get into it. You guys remember my last video, I was telling you guys to watch that key level, which was at, it was like 15,900-ish. You can see that price action broke above it. So what's next? Well, this is a cycle that I've been using, which is a 158, 124, and 69. Merge all those three, make a composite, and this is what it shows against the Nifty 50. When we were somewhere around here, I was thinking that maybe this could probably pull back, because the cycles was indicating that, but it could just continue going sideways and then broke out into higher prices. Now, this cycle bottoms August 17, then resumes the uptrend momentum. So the path of least resistance is to the upside. So whenever there's dips, the chances are you want to buy them and continue going higher until it just can't and it'll turn. I just wanted to show you what the cycle was showing in regards to the Nifty 50, August 17, and all these cycles are going to be pointing up. So let's get into it. You can see right here, it was a battle zone, and we got a nice little pop. Now the question is, will we remain up here and continue going higher? I got a target, possible target, which is that let's lower this over here. That 76.4%, 16,712. That could be a possible target. That's right up there. I'm sure it's going to hit it. This is trend line. Going back from that swing low, you want to keep an eye on. And then also, there's this pitchfork right here that it's trying to get above and continue in the trend. As you can see, if I close this, you can see how the pitchfork is going. It's trying to get back in it, but it doesn't have to. But it's trying to battle to get in there, maybe even go higher in that angle. But that's what the battle is right there now. We fell out of it, and that's what I was thinking. Maybe it's going to probably pull back and maybe retest this key level here, but it's pushing higher. Looking at our monthly bar, we get closer now just to see where we at. The monthly bar is bullish. If you want to look at the weekly, you can see that we broke out of this consolidation and now it's pushing higher. So everything is green as of now. It looks good. Let's see. The Gann square, you see that it ended. If you watched my last video, it was right here. So this is open space and it just shot up. We adjust the Gann square. You can see that now here, this is another possible target. That 16,800-ish. Add the Fibonacci, and you're really close with this right here. 16,712 all the way to 16,804 right here. That'll be a good target if it's going to continue pushing higher. Let's see, anything else I wanted to show you? I think, let's see over here. Looking at the spectrum analyzer, I'm using a harmonic of 3. And if I do the composite from this program, it's also indicating a possible swing bottom here, which lines up with the other one. So chances are it could probably continue going higher. Let's see. Using a solar cycle. Interesting here, it topped out in July. It's pushing lower and is bottoming out August 24. It's going to be pushing or continuing an upward trend. NeuroNet, this one's interesting. This one right here was saying that possibly something is going to happen August 8. If you look at it and you get close, you got that nice pop right here. Then there's another one right here on the 19th. I don't know what that means. They're all really clustered together. I don't think this is going to be a swing top, but you never know. But so far, that's one only thing I've been seeing on the Neuronet. Turbo cycles is just bearish. I figure I'd show you that. And then similarities, you can see that I got all three, with one with no filter, one similar month, and one similar year. You can see that they're all bullish except the red one. Kind of tops out on the 19th. It's a pullback to September and then continues. The green one, it's the 20th, 19th, so it's like same thing. The green and the red kind of got a pullback after the 20th, but the blue one continues going up. So overall, if there's a little correction, it could pull back, and if not, it's going to continue pushing higher. Because the path of least resistance is to the upside. Price is king. Using our turning points, you can see that right here, now we hit resistance. This is a big, strong one, and now using our turning point, it's showing here. So we could break above here, we could break above higher, then that 17,800-ish is going to be the next target to the upside. Looking at harmonics, keep an eye on October 25th. That's further out in the future. And the Bradley model, we got a hit right here on the 11th. The next one will be the 21st. And it's just a little cluster here. Other than that, I think RSI, very overbought. So what are my thoughts? Well, just buy the dips. It's pushing higher. It's above all the moving averages. Everything is looking good. Although you're very overbought, it may even get into the extreme overbought zone, but, very, very toppy if you ask me. But, it could continue going higher. I'm not going to say that it's going to stall here until, things change and you start making higher, lower lows and lower highs, and your little pullback. You've seen like the stuff I've shown you, could be a buying opportunity to continue pushing higher. So those are my thoughts on the Nifty 50. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted. Oh, one more thing, seasonalities. Let's look at seasonalities. Seasonalities is showing a pullback into August 21st, around there, and then it continues pushing higher. So this is the annual decimal, the annual, and the fast and mid. And this little jagged line here, that was 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, it pulled back, and Gann was very strong and adamant about, looking back 10 years and 20 years. We'll see what price action has done look at the averages compared to what's happening, 10 years into the future. So, if it does get a pullback, it's going to be minute, and then it's probably going to continue going higher. But if there's no pullback, it's probably going to keep tugging and pushing higher. So those are my thoughts. I'm going to sign out. And if you like the video, hit the like button. And I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the Nifty 50 using Gann, price and time, technical analysis.